Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Camilla for those of you that are new here. So today, as you guys saw, I was already getting ready. I blow dried my hair. I never do this, and literally at the back of it, isn't it like really bad right here? It's really bad in the back, but right here looks kind of pretty. But I blow dried my hair, I did my makeup. I was gonna put mascara in the car, and then I remembered that I packed it, so I'm not gonna wear mascara. But my mom is driving us there because my sister-in-law is there, and we're only gonna have one car to come back with, so she's just gonna drop us off and then come back. Road trip!
No, I don't have cable, but I'm willing and able to watch what's on your mind. I waste my time the best when I lose control.
Oh, so cute! Can we go in? Oh, wait, there's a floater? Oh, I love it. Nice. Ooh. Oh, that's so cute. Bride to be. Hey guys, it's the next morning. We already made breakfast and got ready to go to the beach. Yesterday we just chilled and ate some pizza. I don't even think I recorded anything, but look at this. So cute. I'm gonna do a little Airbnb tour. So this is the kitchen. We have some food over there. Okay. There's like this little tiki bar thing outside, and then they made this balloon to hang it over the couch, but it just wouldn't stay up, so they just put it here. We got a ring floaty. They set this up and they put it over there too, but it fell down already, so it's just on the ground. And then cute little bride tribe glasses, and then necklaces, and then there's like a confetti popper thing. It's kind of messy right now. And then this is me and Izzy's room. So this is what they did for me. I think I showed it yesterday. It's been falling down, so it's kind of like lopsided right now because I just put it up when I woke up. And I already set up my like suitcase. I took out all the clothes that was in here and I put it in the drawers. And then some clothes to go out. Milena? What the heck, sweetheart? You already slept in? What is this? This is Nanda's, Milena, and Fabi's room.
Look up at the sky, ask it why are you all so afraid?
Hey vlog, okay, Milena take over. I'm whispering right now because we are setting up for Camilla's little surprise party. The reason why I'm putting codes over surprise is because she's like in the kitchen right now. She's everywhere, and we're trying to like set up and clean around the room so we can like just toast to her, open her little presents that she got from the batch, and yeah, it's gonna be really fun and really exciting, but we're gonna set everything up. Okay, I love you. This is us setting up.
I need to do a hairstyle with this.
That thing that David does, he goes like this or whatever, but then he looks back, it's so funny.
myself away, and I know love is blind, so reputation didn't matter. It doesn't matter.
I have to like do this.
That you'll find someone else and then you leave it behind. You're going out and I will be sleeping at night. It's harder than I make it look. I guess that's why.
That's all it needs. The other side.
Okay guys, it's been a long time. I haven't vlogged like the whole entire weekend because we literally go to the beach and just stay there, and I don't bring my camera because I don't want it to get super sandy and like mess up. So that's why I haven't been vlogging. I literally vlog in the morning and maybe at night. So today I will bring you guys along the little dinner that we're having. This is our outfits. You can't really tell. Okay, I have a white dress.
It's sunnier than most days.
Okay guys, we were gonna make s'mores outside, but it just didn't work. So, we're gonna make it on the stove.
And maybe you should stay instead of turning around. So would you keep on going? I know.
Morning guys, it's the next day. We went to go watch like the sunrise, and there was legit no sunrise this morning. We woke up at like 5:45. It's like kind of like humid outside. It feels like it's gonna rain, so like my lens are like foggy. But me and my sister just have been like taking pictures this morning. I took a picture with like my little white bathing suit with like my veil and everything. I'll put some pictures up here. It's probably on my Instagram or maybe not, I don't know. Oh, for me. Oh, so cute. So thank you. 1, 2, 3. Woo!
On YouTube.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down, yeah.
I just finished packing up all my things. I did that a little bit yesterday, but I just made sure I had everything out or in my bag, like things from the bathroom and everything. Make the bed and then go get our last breakfast here. Okay. They're just watching me.
All right.
Turned 19 and I dropped out for a few months in my hometown. 'Cause I'm moving on to bigger and better things.